the carpet fibre has been identified and the proper way of cleaning it has been decided, the cleaning solution, which is all detergent free, is put into the carpet. The carpet fibres have been opened up by the vacuuming, so the solution will get right to the very bottom of the area to be cleaned. This particular machine is useful on an area so small. It's an oscillating pad machine, and all there is under here is just a brush. It's working the solution right down into the carpet. The final stage is hot water extraction, where a high pressure water is pushed into the carpet through the nozzles and then vacuumed straight out along with the dirt and the cleaning solution. The vacuums are so powerful on my machine that the carpet is dry almost immediately, and certainly within an hour the carpet should be completely dry and safe to walk upon.